In this Jarvee tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can use Jarvee's auto comment tool. Now, with this auto comment tool, you guys can post your own comments on any of Instagram's posts. And that happens whether you're sleeping, eating, or doing anything during the day or night, as Jarvee will post for you automatically. Now, what exactly does that mean for you and I? What that means is that more people will be seeing your profile as you're going to be commenting on popular Instagram pages, so more people see your content, more people see the things that you're selling if you've got a business account, and therefore simply you will be able to thrive on Instagram with more followers, more engagement, and a bigger reach. Enjoy the video, guys. What is going on, guys? The Cash Kreator is back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how you guys can use Jarvee's auto comment tool. Now, as discussed, this is an awesome way for you guys to increase the amount of visibility you guys are getting, since you're going to be posting on loads of different Instagram accounts, automatic comments that are going to be increasing your visibility as people are going to be clicking your profile, seeing what you're about, since you're going to be promoting your own content on similar pages in similar niches, guys. All right, so people are going to be looking at your profile, and therefore if you have good content in your profile too, they're going to give you a follow. So it's all about improving your reach and your visibility. Now then, let's get right into the video. The video that I'm going to be using, the account that I'm going to be using to show you guys is my basketball account. I've got an account in the basketball niche. Okay, these are all trial accounts, all of these that I'm just using to make YouTube videos with. As you can see, there's thousands of followers in between them, and I'm going to be using this basketball account to show you guys how to use the auto comment tool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the tools section, and as you can see over here, here is the basketball account. And what you want to do is you want to click on the account settings over here, and what you want to do next is you want to click on this one over here, which is basically the comment tool. Now, I've already created another video about the DM tool, which you can use to direct message certain people that you think are interested in your niche, and then tell them, hey guys, check out my page. But this, like I said, is a bit different. What we're going to be doing is commenting on popular posts on Instagram, and therefore thousands of people are going to be viewing our comments and then seeing it. And if we're promoting our content, saying, hey guys, my page is, post basketball videos, people might click on it, and if we have good content, which we do, they're going to give us a follow. It's that simple, guys. Okay, so let's go through the settings. First things first, over here, what you want to do is look at this bit at the top. This is the most important part. As you can see, it says 12 comments a day. So with these current settings, if we change these settings, this changes. And so for example, if I increase the number of posts per operation to 5, there'll be more comments per day. So whenever we change the settings, this changes. So you have to keep an eye on that, as it tells you how many posts, how many you're going to be commenting per day. All right. So what you want to do is you want to wait approximately 90 to 180 minutes before each new operation. And what happens in an operation is there's either going to be 1 or 2 posts per operation. You can increase it if you want to, but I would start really slow due to the block wave that happened in June, where Instagram is cracking down on people are doing automation. So I would definitely start really slow like this, like I'm showing you guys today, and then slowly increase it. All right. So as you can see, that's the settings, and then you want a delay of approximately 60 to 90 seconds between each comment. Okay, so between the first and second comment there needs to be a delay. Okay, and then you can change the times over here if you want. I'm running it from 12 a.m. to 11:59 p.m., which is essentially 24 hours. You can add also a different day, so if you don't want it to run on weekends, you can cancel Saturday and Sunday, etc, etc. Alright, guys. The next thing over here is highly important. This is the comment limits. Okay, so right now our max limits is 12 anyway, okay, until we change this. So right now we can only do 12 comments unless we do 3 posts, for example, and then the maximum amount of comments we can do goes up to 16, or if we increase this number, the maximum amount of comments goes up to 44. Okay, but essentially what happens over here is this is the limits that you can have per day. But for example, if my comment limit is 40 to 50, I can't do 40 to 50 comments anyway due to these settings. So unless I reduce the time between operation to 90, for example, okay, or you know, do more posts per operation, I can't do that many anyway. Okay, so this is the max limits, but essentially this is the comment limits, which is a bit different. So you know, we could start, let's say, start commenting between 5 to 8 per day, and then increase one by one until it reaches a maximum of 12. Okay, so that's how it works. So you want to start really slow, do 5 to 8 comments per day, and increase it daily by 1. Okay, but we do want it to be a bit higher than that, so let's make it 20. So 20 comments per day. But then if we have 20, our max comments is only 12 anyway, so let's increase this as well to, let's say, 3, yeah, or 4, 1 to 4 posts per operation. There you are. Okay, so you just have to play with these, fiddle with them until they're perfect for you. This is my settings, but you can fiddle with them if you want, or you can copy me, but I'm just showing you guys and explaining it to you guys how it works. Alright guys, so that's how the comments limit section works. This is the user filters section. Okay, so you can comment, you can make, you know, different filters, so you can skip it on English users, so you're not going to be commenting on people that are not English users, and so on and so forth. You can play around with these user filters as you want. For example, if you have a male dominated niche, you know, like basketball is quite male dominated, I could, you know, post only on males pages, for example. Okay, so you just have to play with these yourself however you see fit. Alright, and then the next thing that I like to do is I go into the post filter section, which is the post you're going to be commenting on, and then I make sure it's posts within the last 1 day. So I only want to be posting on the latest current content, so people can see my post as, you know, my profile, since I'm going to be commenting on the most latest and most popular content right now. Alright guys, following that, what you want to do is you want to go into the sources section. Now this is also absolutely fundamental. So what you want to do is you want to find a good source of profile that you're going to be commenting. Okay, so for example, you don't want to be commenting on a really unpopular page, because if they don't have a lot of followers, then there's no point of doing it, because no one's going to be seeing your profile and seeing your comments. So what you want to do is you definitely want to post on a popular page. Okay, so let's go over here and simply tick this box, comment on specific users' posts, and then all you have to do is you have to find a popular page and then put their username in here. Okay, so as I said, mine is a basketball page, and for example, you look at House of Highlights, they're a popular page that posts basketball clips and different sports clips. They have millions of followers. However, I think that they have too many followers. So as you can see in this post, for example, there's 1,659 comments. So that is a huge amount of comments, and therefore I don't think I would get visibility. So if I commented on this post, no one would see my comment, because it would just get drowned in the comments. So what you want to do is you want to find a page that's popular, but it doesn't have huge amount of comments. Okay, because if it does, your comment is just going to get lost in the comments and no one's going to see it. So what I did is I found another popular page. As you can see, it has 40k followers, so that's a great amount of people looking at this page. There's 40,000 people that look at this page, but as you can see in the latest post, it only had 7 comments, and obviously you can tell there's 1,000 people liking it, 1,234, so a lot of people liked it. Okay, and if 1,000 people liked it, that means, let's say, 5,000 people viewed it but didn't like it, and you know, that means that there's only 7 comments. So if I commented over here with my account, you know, since there's only 7 comments, I'm sure I can guarantee you guys that a huge amount of people would view my comment, and they would see my comment, and they, you know, if I say something like, hey guys, check out my basketball videos, they might click on my profile and they might give me a follow if I have good content. Alright guys, so that's how it works essentially. You want to find a popular page that has followers but doesn't have a huge amount of comments, that your comment will get drowned in the comments and no one will see your content. Alright, so this is how it works. you're going to take the username. As you can see, the username is nbahotshots.us, and you simply input it over here. Okay, click on add usernames. That's all you guys have to do. Okay, and what you want to do is type your comment. Okay, so let's say I post basketball videos, check out my page. Okay, and then what you want to do is there you click on add usernames, and it's that simple. As you can see, you're going to be posting this comment onto the latest posts of that page. Okay, so the posts, as we saw in the settings, the post in the last 1 day, you're going to be posting comments onto that page. Okay, so one thing I would recommend definitely to you guys is to use Spintax. Okay, so Spintax basically randomizes your comments. Okay, so Instagram might give you a block or something if you're posting the exact same comment. They might see it as spam and give you guys a block or a comment block or something. So I'll definitely use Spintax, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that real quick. I'm going to go onto the internet and I'm going to do click on this. So this is basically a Spintax creator. So if you don't have a lot of knowledge on programming and stuff, I'm going to show you guys what you have to do. All you have to do is you have to comment, copy and paste the comment that you want to post. So I post basketball videos, check out my page. Okay, but first I'm going to say good content, or I love your content. No, good content. Okay, so all you have to do is you want to copy and paste your message into here. Okay, so let's delete that, copy and paste it. Okay, there will be a link in the description for this free Spintax creator. Okay, so if you're struggling, you don't have anything to worry about. So you copy and paste it in, and then click on launch assisted spin editor. Alright, and then what this does is basically gives you the Spintax in the end. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to do it real quick. So it's going to show similar words to mine that can be used. Okay, I'm going to show you guys. It's better to show you instead of explaining it. Okay, for those of you that don't understand programming. Okay, it is taking some time to load, which is quite odd. Okay, and here we are. It has opened up. Okay, so all I did is I copied and pasted this information from here into the spin editor. Okay, and then launch the spin editor, and this comes up. So basically all you have to do is you have to click on similar words that you like. So instead of good content, I could say decent content, excellent content, very good content, nice content. Okay, so basically when I paste the final programming code back into Jarvee, it will show a randomized version, okay, of the message. So Instagram won't block us because we're posting random messages and not the same spammy message. Okay, so when you're happy with the synonyms there, all you have to do is you have to click next spin. Okay, so instead of content, a similar word could be good, good material, or good, yeah, so that's it, good material really. So if we're looking at a post, for example, we're writing good content, and then you're saying I post, so I publish. Okay, next one, basketball, b-ball is another similar word. Okay, videos, films, clips. Okay, video clips. Next spin, check out, pay visit to my page, take a look at my page. Okay, browse my page, and instead of page I'm gonna have profile. Okay, so that's all you have. Alright, it's that simple. What you do next is you simply close the spinner as your code is ready to copy, and you simply copy this, all of this, okay, and then paste it back into Jarvee. I'm gonna paste it here. Okay, and then you can check the Spintax. Click on the check Spintax. Okay, and then a random message will come up every single time. So we have all those synonyms, and it will choose a random message that you're going to be posting. So as you can see, this Spintax is valid. Here's a random result. Nice content, I post b-ball videos, check out my page. Then the next time is good content, I publish basketball videos, browse my page. Okay, so it's a different message each time, so Instagram will not block you as you're posting something different, a different comment on these profiles every single time. Okay, so that is basically the end of the video. You're going to be posting these random messages onto different profiles, onto their posts, popular pages that have loads of views but don't have a huge amount of comments, and therefore people will be viewing your comments, viewing your profile, and looking at your content and then giving you a follow. Okay, so if you're posting around 50 comments a day, that could be thousands of people looking at your page. It's that simple, guys. Okay, so ever since the follow and unfollow limits decrease, we have to find different ways to grow, and this is one of those ways, guys. All right, so please, if you did enjoy this video, leave a comment, tell me what you thought, tell me what videos you want next, leave a like, and then definitely subscribe to the Cash Kreator. Peace out, guys.